The news in detail. Minister in charge Health and Family Welfare Ampreen Lyngdoh on Monday said amount relating to the COVID funds which has been misunderstood as missing has not been spent and will be released based on the physical progress of the sanction works. She was replying to a zero-hour notice moved by BP legislator from North Shillong, Adelbert Nongrum, on an RTI filed by one Dispasing Rani, which alleged misappropriation of 43 crore rupees sanction for tackling the COVID pandemic in the state. Lyngdoh informed that during the COVID pandemic period, Union of India through Ministry of Health and Family Welfare had come up with an emergency COVID response package to support the efforts of the state towards fighting against COVID. Earlier, VPP legislator from North Shillong, Adelbert Nongrum, demanded the state government to declare the amount spent on the funds allotted by the centre on COVID-19 activities for Meghalaya.
During the COVID pandemic period, Union of India, through Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, had come up with an emergency COVID response package to support the efforts of state in its efforts towards fighting COVID. The package was accorded to Meghalaya in two phases, viz. ECRP Phase 1, ECRP Phase 2. This was funded through the National Health Mission.
VPP MLA Arden Miller Basaimot on Monday